Wow, I really should shave for these videos. So we're here in downtown New Braunfels. This is a beautiful little area right here in downtown. We got a big pecan tree overhead, great little shops. If you're ever off the downtown square, you should come by and check it out. If you're ever in New Braunfels, you should, here at the Weset, you can see they got a great little patio, and they have a little outdoor area here that you can see. Pretty cool place to come and hang out, have a glass of wine, catch up with some friends. Let's go downtown, see what's going on down there. So across the street here we have Henny Hardware. I think it's one of the oldest hardware stores in probably the country. 1893. Okay, well, probably not that old. It says they're on top of the building, but still, very old hardware store. Has old wood floors, even a little trolley system for the cashier to send his money back. Pretty cool. So one thing a lot of people don't really know is that New Braunfels has a really cool little train museum. So it's right by the tracks, and so we just saw a train go by. It was really cool. Let's go inside and check out some of the things there inside. We've got some really cool little model trains here. You got people standing here like by the bus, kind of getting ready to go. There's even a little train down here. I'll show you here the next time we comes by. The train's going all over the place. There's a little circus here going on. There's a carnival here. The Sky Wheel. Pretty cool stuff. Lots of fun. So how cool is this? I mean, look, they've got, this is the old dining car. They got plates here from, I guess, the MKT Railroad days. That's pretty cool. This feels like that scene from Indiana Jones movie where he finds out everybody's mannequins. Comes looking for help. I'm sweating.